This stuff working like a charm. That's the side I haven't hit yet. I already did the haul. You can imagine how bad that looked. I had to scrub the scum line, but other than that, I mean, that's what the bottom looks like. That was terrible. Switch over to the other side. Ooh, look at that. That's with almost no scrubbing. This Starbright hull cleaner is the stuff. Let me show you real fast how easily this goes on. There it is. I'm just gonna, oh shit, that one's closed. Let me go get the open one. Here we are. There we go. Just spray it. Spray it on thick. I'll take a deep breath in the wind. Jesus. I'm right in the wind. And just spray it. Spray it. Spray it. My hand's getting tired. Back up. Look at this already. No scrubbing involved. Look at this. From that to that. Spray it with a hose. Obviously the scum line, I'm gonna have to scrub a little bit. Then I'll go back through and respray them spots. And it's gonna look just like the other side. Works like a charm.